Hello, my names are Michelle and Jao. I took my courses at E3 Empower and did projects. The courses were STEM and Basic, in which Basic included Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many. And the STEM courses were Arduino, App Inventor, Scratch. One that interested me a lot was App Inventor, where you could invent an app that could be used by many. And you can also combine App Inventor with Arduino, which you can perform many projects with it. You can make things work with the codes and the blocks. It's just you to decide what you want to do and make it work. I just did a simple project, but you can do more. But I just did this simple project using Bluetooth device, 4-digit 7 segment, and made an app that could display numbers on the 7 segment. Yes, so I'll show you how it works and a little bit of the codes. Yes, but you can get crazy and just come up with new ways, like make numbers write differently, like in a calculator. You can just decide. It's just you with your creative mind. So I've completed my O-level and A-level studies and heading to the university, and I'm going to pursue in taking statistics course. And computer studies has helped a lot and will help a lot, because I'll need to know some part of computer, to like programming and Python, to be able to use it during my study course, the statistics course, and be able to collect data and transform it using the computer. Yes, I would advise people out there, if you want to learn about computer basics and all about computer, E3 Empower is the best place to be in. You can get a lot of things, and not only you get to learn about computer, you can also get life basics when you ask the teachers who are actually there. So you can, like, my social skills were so bad, and I got to learn how to be social with people. Yes, so it's not only about computer, it's also about life in general. So welcome.